Good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You tune into the Market Beast edition of your fellow compadre speaking, of course. We're going to do a really quick visit on the Plug Power Inc. call that we made. I think it was February the 5th. We're going to revisit that video. We're not going to listen in, but we're going to make sure that I am holding myself accountable for these calls that I come out with. Please understand that you're listening to someone who does not do any fundamental data. I simply look at lines and squigglies on a chart to dictate the direction. So please do your own research as you enter and exit these markets, listening to someone on YouTube. If you're just joining us, welcome. We'd love for you to hit the subscribe button if you find any valuable information in this content. I don't think we got this call wrong. In fact, I'm pretty sure we did not get this right. So we're going to go over that here. Loyal subscribers, welcome back. The YouTube algorithm is promoting the channel due to your engagement, your appropriate thumbs and comments. Thank you. Let's go ahead and see what we have here in the chart. So let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right. So today's February the 22nd, 2021, and the previous close of Plug PLUG is going to be $48.60. It closed negative approximately 13% for the day. They got some post market, a little bit more selling pressure, 48.52, down approximately 0.1% for the post market. So here's the lines that we had on the chart ever since the previous video. That's it, really simple. And I know a lot of probably have questions like, man, you told us the price is going to go up within 2 weeks, man. What's going on? So I just want to go over that. I'm not backpedaling a little bit, guys. The range is still the same. This green line down here at about $43.13. I do have an overhead target. We're going to go over that here in a second. But here's the video that we posted. Will this stock move up 20% within 2 weeks? It was posted February the 5th, 2021. And it appears that the deadline on this, remember, when I come out with dates, they're never random, okay? It appears that the 2 weeks extended over to February the 19th, 2021. So at that moment, that's when it actually expired. So remember, when I do my observations of the markets, it's all calculated for the markets to do a specific gesture for me to understand whether or not it's going to move in a specific direction. Okay, let me just point out the 19th is going to be like all the way over here. So I mean, obviously it's just pretty much faded out, right? It was an inaccurate call. There's nothing. I'm not trying to justify anything. I'm going to dive back into the charts to see where I got it wrong. That's the important thing. If you guys are just kind of new to technical analysis, it's important to just get back into those charts, see where you got it wrong, see where you can actually improve. How can you do it better? A lot of people don't believe in technical analysis, guys. That's fine. I truly base all of my market entry and exit decisions based on technical analysis and nothing else. So it's important for you to do your research and understand what these stocks are, and do not listen to me. Don't trust me. Don't do any of that. All I want from all of you is your time and your patience and your minds to be open as we go along in these charts here. Okay, so please don't use this as financial advice, please. All right, so what am I seeing now in Plug? Well, as long as it's above, like I said, $43, let me just move this on over here. As long as it's above $43 down here and 74 cents, let's just say, I mean, maybe it'll get like a dip down, right? I mean, that's fine. I would look at that as a buy-in opportunity. Have I entered this market? No, I still have not entered this market. When I come out with videos saying that I'm sniping the markets or I'm entering the markets, that's when I actually enter markets. But when we come out with videos saying that, you know, will this stock move up 20% within 2 weeks with the question mark, that doesn't necessarily mean I've entered the market, guys. I'm very open with you all when I enter these markets. So the overhead target is still the same. Do I still see Plug going up to this red line overhead, which for those of you who don't know, it's $130. Absolutely. We have to give the price action some time. When we come out with the videos, don't expect this stuff to happen overnight. You have to let the markets mature. You have to let them break above specific levels, right? Break above that $43 level. It appears that the market wants to back test this level as it was resistance, right? And now it wants to test it as support. Is it going to hold? I don't know. If it gets down to this level, I would be looking at it as a buy-in opportunity. I would likely be entertaining an option or two on this stock if it actually gets down to the $43.74 level. And again, I have not bought. I bought stock and I think I sold it or something like. I'm not sure exactly what I did, guys. But right now we're currently not in participating in this stock. We will be waiting on a potential back test of the level, this green line that we've already gone over a few times. So I'd say. So we've already made a prediction that was completely incorrect about the stock going up 20% within 2 weeks. So now what we're looking for is to see some sort of reversal. Let's pull up the 3-day here. Maybe we can see some sort of, yeah, so there's no real reversal just yet, or an indication that there's a reversal on the 3-day. So the two things that we'll be looking for is to see some sort of reversal sign on the 3-day or the weekly. These are the weekly candles here. We have about, let's see, 4 more days to close on this weekly candle right here. So I think we just opened that weekly candle today. Yeah, so this is a brand new weekly candle. In 4 days it's going to close. I'll be paying close attention to this, hopefully, and we have a lot on our plate here, but I'll be paying attention as close as I possibly can. What I'll do right now is I'll set an alert on the video. Let's see, all the way down to 44.86. So I'll just set an alert there. It hasn't really been working lately. I don't know what's going on with TradingView, but if it actually gets to that level, I'll just open up the charts and see if I can see any wicks below the price. Maybe the buyers are actually going to step in very aggressively because they've been waiting on a discount to enter this market, like myself. So that's what I'll do. Like I said, I've already set an alert there. Again, that's a previous level of resistance. So that's an area of interest for me. And hopefully you all are out there practicing, risk management. And again, not listening to me and trusting me and all of this stuff. Okay, don't do that. No, I'm really serious. No, I'm serious, guys. Don't listen to me. Don't trust me. Do your research before you enter these markets. I know we've been on fire, making a lot of good calls, but that fire seems to be dimming down a bit. So yeah, just practice risk management, guys. No, seriously, okay? So that's all I have for you, wonderful folks. It's still within the range. As long as it's above 43.74, everything looks fine to me. I still do have that overhead target. So let me just throw a time window out there for you all. We're going to have to give this one 3 to 6 months. So please do the calculation, whatever 3 to 6 months from today is. I'd greatly appreciate it if you guys can do that for me. So we're going to cut it out here. And I do appreciate your time. So before you go, if you're new, we're going to cut it out here. We also go over the alternative markets. I'm not sure if you're into Bitcoin and altcoins. We cover that. Subscribe to the bell. We'll send you that information when it's available. And yes, we covered everything. Hopefully this was useful information, guys. Okay. I really appreciate your time. Okay. So we're going to talk very soon. Take care of yourselves, execute your strategies, and bye for now.